In this video, I will discuss the rest of the problems of linear by quadratic or linear by quadratic root over. Here it is linear by quadratic root over. When this type of problems will come, then you have to separate them. This is 3x by 5x square plus 8 root over plus 4 by 5x square plus 8 root over. And mind it is a pure quadratic. In that case, you have to adjust the derivative very easy way. Its derivative is 10x. Now what you have to do? Just take 3 outside, multiply 10 and multiply 10, divide 10. It becomes now this 10x you can write derivative of 5x square plus 8. And on the next part it is 5x square plus 8 root over, because 4 will come outside. Now what is the whose square is 5x square? It is root 5x whole square. So you have to put the derivative of root 5x, that is root 5. So multiply root 5 and divide root 5. And root 5 dx is clearly derivative of root 5x. Okay, because it is root 5 will come outside, this is only dx, root 5 dx. So root 5 dx I am writing derivative of root 5x. Now the denominator is what? The denominator is root 5x whole square plus 8. Now look at the both parts. Here it is d box by box root over. D box by box root over. Simply it is what? Box to the power minus half d box. It is box to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. It is box to the power half by half. It is 2 root box. Okay. Now I am writing it is 3 by 10, 2 root box plus 4 by root 5. This is formula is of this formula you should apply here. D box by box square plus a square. It is ln box plus 5x square plus 8 root over. It is 3 by 5. And it is your answer. There are two methods. You can do by this method or by this method. But you look how easy is this. Now look at here. E to the power x cos e to the power x by sin square e to the power x plus 9. It is whose square is this? It is sin e to the power x whole square. And you know derivative of sin e to the power x is cos e to the power x into derivative of e to the power x, that is e to the power x dx. So in this place numerator I am writing derivative of sin e to the power x. Now applying that tick mark formula, that is d box by box square plus 9 plus a square. It is ln box means sin e to the power x plus the denominator. I am writing it here. It is one method. Another method, you know, you have to put t is equal to sin e to the power x because it is sin square. And derivative, you know, it dt is cos e to the power x, and derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x dx. It is, now I am writing, rearranging e to the power x cos e to the power x dx. It is dt. dt is equal to e to the power x cos e to the power x dx. It is dt. Now the question, it is dt by what? T square plus 9. And you know the formula. It is ln t plus t square plus 9 root over plus c. And now you can put the value of t, you get the answer. You can look at this problem. Take the pause. After I will do this, you should see. After I am doing this problem, you should verify. First you have to do it. What is this? This is a form. Previously I have told you it is linear by quadratic, and this is a full quadratic equation, that not pure quadratic. It is full quadratic. Means linear is equal to alpha derivative of that quadratic plus beta. Here what is L? It is 2x plus 11. So derivative of quadratic is what? 2x plus 10. You have to multiply what here? You have to multiply only 1 plus what? Plus 1. that is 2x plus 11 is equal to 1 into 2x plus 10 plus 1. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to divide 2x plus 11 by x square plus 10x plus 29 root over dx is equal to, it is what? 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x plus 29 root over, this is very important problem, mind it, plus what? Only one dx, that is dx by x square plus 10x plus 29. And I have told you already, d box by box root over is integration is 2 root box, because derivative of 2 root box is 1 by root box. Derivative of 2 root x is what? Remember, derivative of 2 root x, 2 will go outside, root x ka derivative 1 by 2 root x, 2 cancel. So integration of this is what? 2 root x. Similarly, d box by root box is 2 root box. I have told you already in number 36 about it. It is 2 root x square plus 10x plus 29 plus, what you have to do? It is what? It is x plus 5 whole square, because it is x square plus 10x. 10x means 2 into 5 into x. So it is x plus 4 square plus x plus 5 square plus 4 whole root over. And in place of dx, I can write it derivative of x plus 5. So the final result is 2 root over of x square plus 10x plus 29 plus what? It is ln box plus means x plus 5 plus x square plus 10x plus 29. Okay, this is the answer. Plus C. Okay, I am repeating this line again. It is x square plus 10x plus 29. We know d box by box root over is 2 root box. So I am writing this as derivative of x square plus 10x plus 29. It is what? In place of 2x plus 10 dx, I am writing derivative of x square plus 10x plus 29 by x square plus 10x plus 29 root over. Now it is applying this formula, you get this point. Okay. This is also linear by quadratic root over. It is pure quadratic, so you have to separate them. It is x by 3x square minus 8 root over minus 2 by 3x square minus 8 root over. Okay. Now the derivative of 3x square minus 8 is 6x. So multiply 6 and divide 6. Now write this 6x as a derivative of what? 3x square minus 8. And in this part, the derivative, it is root 3x whole square minus 8. And derivative of root 3x is what? You multiply root 3. The derivative root 3x is root 3 dx. So multiply root 3, divide root 3. You see the difference between them. Here one linear power. Here is only constant. This is the main difference. You have to differentiate it. What is that? Is to differentiate it. To differentiate. So it is linear, and take this is only the constant part. In this part you have to do like this, and in this part you have to make it one complete. The denominator is square minus constant square. This is box square minus a square, derivative of box. Formula, it is 2 by root 3 ln this root 3x plus 3x square minus 8 root over. Okay. Because the derivative of d box by box root over is 2 root box. Applying here, you can simplify it. Look at this problem minutely. Then you will know the difference between other problems and this problem. Now, it is linear by quadratic root over. It is not linear by quadratic root over. It is in the form linear by quadratic into a variable. And look at all these formulas. Which formula will applicable at this problem? Now separate them first. 3x by x into 2x square minus 5 root over plus 4 by x into root over of 2x square minus 5. Okay, and take this 4 outside, so it becomes dx by x 2x square minus 5 root over. On this part you have to take 3 outside, and it becomes what? It becomes 1 by 2x square minus 5 root over. Means ऊपर constant है, एक constant है, नीचे quadratic का root over. So it is look at here, 3x by x into 2x square minus 5. Now x cancel, 3 is the constant, it goes outside. So it is 2x square, it is 2x square minus 5. Its derivative is what? 4x, but in numerator there is no x term. X term already cancelled and it is out of this scene. So what you have to do? You have to take 2x square dx by 2x square minus 5. Now what will it becomes what? It is a derivative of what? It is 2x square means it is root 2x whole square minus 5 square root over into derivative of root 2x. What is derivative of root 2x? It is what? Root 2. So here multiply root 2 and divide root 2. And in this part, this is very, very important. You have to apply. Here is variable x. Here is the variable x. And in the numerator only constant is there. Nothing is there in the numerator. So you have to apply this formula. What is this? D box by box square minus a square. So जितना का स्क्वायर उतना बाहर में रहना चाहिए और उसका डेरिवेटिव ऊपर होना चाहिए. तो क्या होना चाहिए? ये 2x square whose derivative is whose square is 2x square, absolutely root 2x whole square, and this root 2x should be in this position. So first I am, as already there, as there is what? As there is x, just multiply root 2. Now look at here, it is my box. It is box square. Okay. Now I am multiplying root 2 in numerator, sorry, in denominator. Then I have to multiply. Then it is root 2 dx. And in the next step, what I will do? Plus 4 derivative of root 2x. And denominator is what? Root 2x. And root over of what? Root 2x square minus 5. Okay, it is this. Now 4 outside, and in place of root 2x I am writing derivative of what? Derivative of root 2x. This is box, this is box, this is box square. So it is in the form d box by box into box square minus a square. And in this 3 by root 2 here. So is for this for part I am writing what? Which formula? It is what? 3 root 2. It is d box by box square minus a square root over. Box square minus a square root over. You have to apply this formula ln. What? Ln, this formula first, this formula second part. This is for first part. Ln box. Box means what? Root 2x. Root 2x plus root over of 2x square minus 5 plus 4. And in this part, what you have to do? D box by box into box square minus a square. And its formula is 1 by a. 1 by a. A means it is 5. A means root 5. 1 by a. Sec inverse. Box by a. What is box? It is root 2x by a. A means root 5. Mind it. Plus. This is your answer. And you should do this problem first. After that, you have to check it. You will, after looking this problem, you will tell, what sir, what is that? It is quadratic by quadratic linear whatever. No confusion, my dear students. Look at, separate them one by one. Steadily, constantly look, what am I doing here? Separate x square by x square minus 4, one part, dx, plus 2x, x, root over of x square minus 4, dx, plus 2 dx by x, root over of x square minus 4. Okay, how there are how many formulas will applicable to this problem? Look properly. You got it. It becomes what? X dx by x square minus 4 root over. Okay, this is linear by quadratic. And what you have to do it? You have to put the derivative of this part in numerator. Then what you have to multiply? Derivative of x square minus 4 is 2x. Then you have to multiply 2 x dx by x square minus 4. Just I am doing this in this step. Okay. It is x by x square minus 4. I am multiplying and dividing. And in place of 2x dx, what I am writing here? Tell me, you should tell what I will write here. It is just derivative of x square minus 4. Okay, and you know derivative d box by box square, d box, there is a special formula I have told you. D box by box root over integration is what? 2 root box. You have to remember this 2 root box. It is d box by box root over. Then what am I doing here? It is 2 root box, means x square minus 4. So one part is over. Look at here. Next part. Here if 2x by x into x square minus 4 root over, they also cancel. अकेला 2 क्या करेगा? बाहर चले जाएगा ना नहीं? तो look at here. 2 will go outside. dx by x square minus 4 का root over. So देखो, look at that. X square, dx by x square minus 4. It is your direct formula. Dx by x square minus 4. So this formula is applicable here. It is what? It is 2 ln what? Box plus x square minus 4. Okay, I am just writing it again. 2 ln x plus x square minus 4 plus. Look at this part. This is also a direct formula. What is that? D box by box into box square minus a square. It is whose square? You have to write dx by x, and here x square. Here it is 2 square. Now applying this formula, you will get to 1 by a means 1 by 2. It is sec inverse x by 2 plus sec inverse x by 2 plus a. अब देखो लगा ना, जोर का झटका, धीरे से लगा. ओके. Now this is the number 41, this is number 42, and if I will do number 42, then 41 will be inside it. No requirement to do separately. Now look at this problem. It is x plus 7 means linear by quadratic. Again that formula, linear is equal to alpha derivative of quadratic plus beta. Okay, linear means what? Linear means x plus 7. X plus 7 is equal to alpha derivative of quadratic. What is derivative of quadratic? It is 2x plus 8 plus beta. So alpha, what is alpha? You have to decide. It is x, it is 2x. When you will adjust this x with 2x, what you have to multiply? 1 by 2. Then it is 1 by 2 into 2x. It is x, now x is that. So 1 by 2 into 8, it is what? 4. Now here it is 7. You have to add what? 3. This is the interesting part. Now x plus 7 by x square plus 8x whole root over dx is what? 1 by 2. It is 2x plus 8 by what? 8x square plus 8x whole root over dx plus 3 dx by 8x square plus 8x. Now look at here. Is not it number 41? Yes, sir. It is what? 1 by 2. What is this? 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8 dx is what? It is 1 by 2 integration. Its derivative is 2x plus 8. You have to write d of x square plus 8. But by x square plus 8x root over plus 3. What you will do here? It is dx by x square plus 8x. You have to make a complete square to it. It is what? X square plus 2 into 4 x plus what? 4 square is 16. Just add and subtract. Okay. Now look at here. Sir, we know it. What is that? D box by box root over. It is 2 root box. Okay, I am writing 2 root box plus 8x plus 3. It is what? It is a complete square from this to this. This is a bookmark symbol. You just add and subtract. 16 gone. 16 minus 16. It is 8x. 8x. So I can write it as x plus 4 whole square for this bookmark minus 4 square. And in the numerator, what is that? Root over. It is 4 dx. You have to write derivative of x plus 4. Because dx is same as d of x plus 4. D of x plus 4 means dx plus derivative of 4. Derivative of 4 is 0. And look at it. Here. It is box. Box square minus a square root over d box. It is d box. D box by box square minus a square root over. So here it is cancelled. It becomes x square plus 8x root over plus 3. It is ln box means x plus 4 plus x plus 4 square minus 4 square root over, and you know it becomes x square plus 8x root over plus 3 ln, it is x plus 4 plus, and it is clearly this x square plus 8x. It is x square plus 8x modulus plus c. Okay.